Namaskar and welcome to this special conversation on D-Day India. I'm Shubhendu Ghosh. Honorable President of Myanmar, His Excellency On Min Aung Hlaing, he is on an official visit to India. Earlier on Monday, he met Prime Minister Narendra Modi for bilateral talks. To talk about his visit and more, I have with me President Hlaing himself. Your Excellency, welcome to D-Day India. And for our viewers, His Excellency will be speaking in Burmese, but you can see the translations on the bottom of the screen. Your Excellency, after becoming the President, you chose India for the first foreign visit. Now, India and Myanmar share civilizational, cultural ties. How significant is this relationship between India and Myanmar for you?
Brahma Labu Sisiaro, India Nenga Uzi Saweme, PBS Jantarawachi, Nilaga, Labu Piepa, $2 di Nilaga, down of Africa Nanga, Pipo get Igbola, Yoga Jandia, dia C1 Shu Zero, the Sue necessary to say generally Indian Nanga, Mayodale, Javabi, the Nosago Gunia, Johnson Yoka Piepa. Tajanoa, Indian Nanga, the Sue Day in a official visit to General Saumes will be the Napenina get up your body. There are Siwi Piate Mele, the Yamuchi, Kilabu, Sisi, the Mapiate Mene, Indian Angle luggage in Piabari. Indian Angle, General Tanang, Yamanangane, Chiji, the Manyon Shila, the Chiji Jim, Sasai Shigiran and Piabari. The Nabe Biduri, no Nananga, Asugari, Sadapian Tiluri, Satamuri, Amiai Shibari. General Good Billion. General India Nanga, not to say Kunega, Sai, Yoka Piba, General Jimo Melda, General Yoka Buba, Rajonde, Dinanga Labu, General Dero, Labutin, the Inajin Nanga, the Kupete, General Yusalu, the Kizio, the Pion season in Pipa.
Mr. President, how was your experience of visiting the sacred Mahabodhi in Bodh Gaya? You spoke about the civilizational ties. Buddhism is an important civilizational cultural link between India and Myanmar.
Timare, General Nangama, Buddha Bada, India Nanga, the same, Piambola, Piedo, the Buddha Gaya in Pia, Pune, near the Piabare, Buddha Myanmar, Limuri, Yamanangale, Buddha Bada, Amiazu, Google, Nanga Cupido, Buddha Bada, and Pataluisian, Madame Alimia Tawari. Yamarale, the Buddha Ban, Alima Tazu, Buddha Gaya, and Pade, Yamarale, Dolly Limneta, the Giza Shide. General Good, I mean, Legion, General, Yoka Wood, Indian and Kissing La Lucian, Buddha Gaya, General, Piam Sissimare. General, the Tenia Lare Kissing, don't say Lare Kissing, General Rune, Nibirani, Lamus, Lampoma, on the Wima, General Yaw and Nia Pieda. General young season get a body. No, Povido to our work on ideally General Bemag, net beyond a Neon Labio, Neon Labi, Piepari, Emana, Tujare, Labini, Piedejum, Ajama General Povoni, the Budagama, Pumung Yada, Emana Tujare, Kudu to Kulu Yusawa, Taja General, the Budabana Badelucian or Nananga Sasai Male, Budagaya, the a Yibare near the Kupedelu, General Biojamaria.
Your Excellency, let's talk about your meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What would you say were the key takeaways?
Sunday Jawara, Diga, Miai Shibari, General Lare Yue Jetema, Nananga Siwai Buan Sawe Mune, Kondemu, meeting Kisari, Pada, General Piobar, Dari General Suni Piabari, Naraga. India Nangani Bemananga Malau Yini Munane, a Queen Lanny one. India and I promoted them Muri, the Hanepa Devi, Jeronanga Hani Bidoma, the two General Net Tindore Hari, General Yayu Nampude, the General Student Nangavare. Now Pinai Kana, Jamai Kana, and Noraka Kagui Kana, now Yijong, Dujoi, Sankisa, the Nenemes and Kisa, the Noraga, Siberia, Lunga, Mumi, Lunga, Satipimba, Miai Chipiamar. Kana Bonson, General Suni Nangave, Nana Jojola, General to the Sune Bulonek, Amiangare, ဆွေးနွေးပွဲရလာတစ်ခုရရှိခဲ့တယ်လို့ကျွန်တော်ပြောချင်တယ်ဗျာ